It's a 2019 Ram 1500. Ram trucks are consistently recognized and awarded as some of the best. This 1500 continues that tradition. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: V6 engine, 4-wheel drive, engine auto stop start feature, trailer hitch receiver, streaming audio, remote engine start, leather steering wheel, active grille shutters, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. Reputations aren't given, they're earned. At the end of our testing, the decision was unanimous. Hands down, the Ram ran away with this Truck of the Year award. Engineered to get things done. Engineered to be a Ram. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
At Groganstown Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, we're committed to exceptional customer satisfaction. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 6100 North Telegraph Road in Toledo, Ohio.